something different. English. I was trying to understand. Listen.
I was trying to prank you. Hey, what's up, Wagwan? Konnichiwa. Pick up on yourself. Yes, so today I decided to do a prank on my Japanese friend who will be helping me around. So she's fluent in English, but she has no clue about patois or Jamaican Creole. So I was inspired by King and Shay to do this. Shay, big up yourself, the queen of prank. We now go pan King boat, kaitala sink. Yeah, the pan Shay cruise ship. So I was inspired to do the prank because I've never done a prank video before. So what I plan to do is to speak to her like I'm speaking now, because this is how she understands. Even if I'm speaking standard English and I use my Jamaican accent, maybe she won't be able to understand, right? Because you understand, Japanese, they don't know, that's not their native language. English is not their native language, right? So that out of the way, let me explain now. So I plan to just speak to her like this and then break out in patois. And the patois that I plan to use is the real downtown patois. You know, the one where you have to use your tongue, yeah, and long out your tongue and raise and roll your eyes and shake your head. The one there. Who know about downtown patois? You know you have different types, right? You have the uptown type, like, yeah. So what I was saying is that because them not speak English in a broken English, so it's patois, but them nice it up like, yeah. That's what I was saying. Yeah, I know what you're talking. I know what you're talking about. But that's not the one I'm gonna use. I use a real raw one, yeah. So I got pretend like I want her to help me with some stuff and say, yeah, Yuko, might help me with some things. I'm gonna see how she responds. Let's see how she responds to it. So stay tuned. Let's see. I decided that it's not gonna be just blood related family experiences.
The community
Yes.
is family. This is not that good.
I know what
It's not like the
and I actually see the sunset across from my apartment. But it's so weird. You need to turn. Oh God.
Oh, this is the one.
Oh man. Oh, we're here. Okay. But it's so weird. The same stripe top.
Matching.
I did have some things I really want to ask you, because I get a bag of paper in my mail and I don't understand. Somebody's up there, so if you go through it, somebody don't know what. One more heap of paper in the mail, so I don't know if you could help me fix something. Wow. Oh, yeah, turn on the AC.
Oh yeah, so
You understand what I said a while ago? You understand what I said a while ago? what did I say? No, oh, sorry.
That's okay.
Trying to get the thing there. There is a nice little place that I like.
School and golf school.
Oh, tennis and golf. Like I can actually go there and
betting center.
oh, so anyone can go there to play.
Yeah.
Okay, me go for there. You ever go there before?
No.
You're understanding Creole. You're understanding me?
Oh, yeah. Oh, I understand what you said, but you're talking something different. English. I was trying to understand. listen.
I was trying to prank you.
I was like,
You were wondering what the hell I was saying. I was trying to prank you to speak all patois, like, you know. I know you know.
suddenly you started
Suddenly.
speaking different English. I'm trying.
It's Jamaican Creole. It's like our local language. It's called patois. So I couldn't hold it for longer because I was planning to do it for a long time and then say, "You could. I'm talking to you." But you didn't tell me that you didn't understand. You were there shaking your
I
head.
was trying to understand. I was trying to change the conversation. Oh, there's a go score.
That's smart. That's very smart of you,
Yes.
trying to change the conversation. Wow. Okay, well, I can say my plan worked. I got you. I should have held it out a little longer, but I was just too quick to mention.
You couldn't stop laughing.
No.
So in Africa, in Nigeria, I don't know about other countries. When we're frying stew, we want to taste it, or soup, we taste it like this.
Yeah, that's what we do in Jamaica as well. And some persons actually put the spoon in their mouth, but you know, like
No,
that.
we put it on
You
the
can
hand.
use another spoon too and just taste it. That's how you tasting spoon. You don't
Think
put
that-
that in the pot.
The pepper is okay.
Let me taste it.